morning, students. I am Mithilesh Kumar, presented in front of you. Dear students, today discussed about word problems related with measure of length, measure of mass, and measure of capacity for class 4, exercise 63. Today's only discussed question number 1 to 5. Recap. In previous video, dear student, discussed about addition, subtractions, multiplications and divisions of the related topics. Let us start your word problems. In first questions, dear students, Ramu has Ramu sells 18 liter 675 milliliters of milk in one building. 18 liter, 18 liter and 675 milliliters sell milk of in one building, and 6 liter 425 milliliters sell in another building, and 29 liter and 550 milliliters sell in a hotel. Find the total quantity of milk sold by him. Now, dear students, Ramu sell milk in first buildings 18 liter 675 milliliters. In another building 6 liter 425 milliliters. In a hotels 29 liters 550 milliliters. Then ask in questions, find the total quantity of the milk sold by Ramu. When you add them, then you find out total quantity of milk sold by Ramu. That means here 550 1 55 1 16 6 1 4 5 54 liters 650 milliliters. Now again okay, 54 liter 650 milliliters of milk sold by Ramu. Now next questions of your topics. Mr. Gupta travels 1 kilometers 375 meters on foot. On foot. 5 kilometers 725 meters traveled by bus, and 12 kilometers 150 meters traveled by train. To reach her friend's house, find the total distance traveled by him. Dear students, by bus 1 kilometer 375 meters, on foot by bus, by train, now add them 0 . total distance total distance 19 kilometer 250 meters traveled by Mr. Gupta. That's okay. In this way you find out. Now again, by on foot 1 kilometer 375 meters, by bus 5 kilometers 725 meters, by train 12 kilometers 150 meters, total distance 19 kilometer 250 meters traveled by Mr. Gupta. In this way you find out the answers of these questions. Now again, question number 3. Dear students, Lakshmi buys 2 meters 20 centimeters of cloth. 2 meter 20 centimeters cloth by Lakshmi and 925 centimeters of cotton cloth. 9 meters 25 centimeters find the total length. That means length silk cloth is equal to, and cotton cloth is equal to silk cloth 2 meters 20 centimeters and cotton cloth 9 meters 25 centimeters. Total length of cloth is equal to here 5, here 4, here 11. That means 11 meter 45 centimeters. Total length of cloth bought by Lakshmi. Again, question number 4. In these questions, 2 heaps, that means ढेर, 2 heaps of the rice together weighs 5 kg 250 grams. 2 heaps, weight of 2 heaps of rice, weight of 2 heaps of rice together is equal to 5 kg 250 grams, and weight of 1 heaps of rice is equal to 3 kg 252 grams. How much does the other heaps? Weight of other heaps of rice is equal to, dear students, you look after weight of 2 heaps 5 kg 250 grams. You have seen in first lines, in second lines, weight of 1 heaps of rice is equal to 3 kg 250 grams. When you subtract them, then you find out the weight of other heaps of rice. So here 5 kg 250 grams. Now write here 3 kg and 252 grams. Now here subtract them. 10 minus 2 8 and here 14 minus 5 9, 11 minus 2 9, 4 minus 3 1, 1 kg 390 grams. Weight of the other hips. Now last questions of your related topics. What say in these questions? Question number 5. A container has 5 liters 250 milliliters of oil. Capacity of a container. Capacity of container is equal to 5 liter 250 milliliters of oil. 5 liters 250 milliliters of oil. A man takes 2 liters 100 milliliters oil from it. Later he spills 1 liters 200 milliliter of oil from the container. How much oil is left in the container? Total oil spent from container is equal to 2 liter and 100 milliliters. Now 1 liter and 200 milliliters spills. That means 300 and had 3 liters. Now here 3 liters and 300 milliliters of oil spent from container. How much oil left in containers? That means quantity of oil left in container equal 5 liters 250 milliliters. Now here 3 liters and here 300 milliliters. Now what to do here? 0, here 5 and here 9 and here 1. 1 liters 950 milliliters left in the container. Dear students, in this video Last questions. Repeat again. A capacity of a container. That means in which oil is kept. Capacity of containers 5 liters 250 milliliters. Total oil spends from container 2 liters 100 milliliters taken a man, and 1 liters 200 milliliter spills in the container. So total oil spends from the containers 3 liters 300 milliliters. How much oil is left in the container? When you subtract them, here 0, 5, G 5, and here 12 minus 3, 9. And here 4 minus 3, 1. That means 1 liters 950 milliliters left in the container. I hope that you understand question number 1 to 5. No any problems, no any dots. If you any dots, any problem, ask them. Thank you, students.